Ingrown toenails can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. They occur when the corner or side of the toenail grows into the surrounding soft flesh, causing pain, redness, and swelling. I'm Houston podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. I'm board certified with over 20 years of experience. Traditional treatments often involve cutting the nail, soaking the foot, or even surgery in more severe cases. But what if there was a pain-free alternative to treating an ingrown toenail? Enter Onyfix, a revolutionary nail correction system that promises a comfortable and effective solution to this common problem. In today's video, we'll delve into the science behind Onyfix, its benefits, and the steps involved to apply the treatment. We'll also cover aftercare and maintenance to ensure you get the most out of your Onyfix experience. Before I do, I wrote a book all about toenail health. I'm happy to send it to you as a gift. Visit www.mytoenailbook.com to order it. Also, please let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, and hit the subscribe button and share on social media. This will help others find this information. How does Onyfix work its magic to fix ingrown toenails without any pain? The secret lies in the unique resin material and application technique that this innovative system brings to the table. Onyfix is a non-surgical, non-invasive treatment for ingrown toenails, which means that it does not involve any cutting or removal of the nail, making it a pain-free option for patients. The resin material used in Onyfix system is specifically designed to be gentle on the nail yet strong enough to correctly realign the nail's growth and direction over time. The process begins with applying the Onyfix resin onto the surface of the affected nail. Once applied, the resin hardens and forms a customized brace that's bonded to the nail. This brace helps in redistributing the pressure exerted on the nail, allowing it to grow out naturally in the correct direction without causing any pain or discomfort. Furthermore, the Onyfix system works gradually, meaning the nail correction takes place slowly over the course of several months, allowing the patient to continue with their daily activities without any hindrance. In essence, the science behind Onyfix lies in its ability to provide a pain-free, non-invasive solution to ingrown toenails, effectively addressing the root cause of the problem. You'll discover the remarkable benefits of Onyfix treatment as it offers a non-invasive and gentle solution for those pesky ingrown toenails without causing any discomfort. This innovative treatment method is designed to correct the curvature of the nail, allowing it to grow naturally and painlessly. Onyfix is suitable for all ages and can be applied to any size or shape of the toenail, making it a versatile and effective option for those suffering from ingrown toenails. Furthermore, the treatment process is quick and easy, usually taking around 10 to 15 minutes and requires no downtime or recovery period. In addition to providing relief from pain and inflammation, Onyfix treatment also promotes healthy nail growth and helps prevent the reoccurrence of ingrown toenails. By addressing the root cause of the problem, Onyfix supports long-term improvement in nail health and overall foot comfort. Moreover, since Onyfix is a non-surgical option, it eliminates the risks and potential complications associated with surgical procedures, such as infection or prolonged recovery time. With its numerous benefits and patient-friendly approach, Onyfix treatment is truly a game changer in the management of ingrown toenails. Once you've had the procedure done, taking care of your newly aligned toenail is a breeze. The aftercare and maintenance for Onyfix is minimal, as the system is designed to work with your natural nail growth over time. It's important to keep the treated area clean and dry to prevent any potential infections. You can continue with your regular activities, including showering and wearing shoes, without any restrictions. In addition to keeping the area clean and dry, you should also monitor the progress of the toenail as it grows out. Regular follow-up appointments with your podiatrist are crucial to ensure the Onyfix system is working effectively and that your ingrown toenail is healing properly. During these appointments, we may need to adjust or replace the Onyfix resin to maintain proper nail alignment as it grows. By adhering to these simple aftercare and maintenance guidelines, you can enjoy pain-free relief from ingrown toenails and get back to your regular activities without any discomfort. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. I wrote a book all about toenail health, and I'm happy to send it to you at no charge. Visit www.mytoenailbook.com to order it. If you've been suffering with ingrown toenails, come in and see if Onyfix is right for you. The link to request an appointment is also in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.